Dan, new at 5, a Haskell couple arrested after deputies find 3 young children living in filth. 2 News reporter Brandon Richard is in Muskogee County with what else investigators found.
Well, deputies say they found the couple's 3 young children living in this trailer house north of Haskell, a home they say is crawling with cockroaches. But that's not all. They say in an RV located a few yards away is where they found a meth lab. The sheriff describes it as one of the worst cases of child neglect his department's ever seen. Investigators say they received a tip Wednesday about possible child neglect taking place at this mobile home north of Haskell. Deputies went to the house and said they found 3 young kids, ages 1, 3, and 4, living in filth.
The deputy noticed that, the home was in real bad condition, was infected with all kinds of different insects and roaches. The deputy noticed that a roach crawled out of the baby's mouth that was in the playpen.
Deputies said the children's mother, 24-year-old Kimberly Sowers, agreed to let them look around.
In the process, they discovered drug paraphernalia, and then later on, throughout the interview, they found a partial drug lab.
Deputies tell me they located a meth lab inside an RV located on the property, a few yards away from the home. DHS workers immediately took the 3 kids into custody, and deputies arrested their mother. Investigators say the kids' father, 28-year-old Carl Sowers, showed up a short time later, and deputies arrested him as well. Both face drug and child endangerment charges.
This is the worst of society. Unfortunately, these are the things that we deal with, and the children who suffer.
Which is why investigators hope more people come forward when they notice something's not right.
It's imperative that the public, tells us this, especially when they know children are involved.
Now, a third person, a woman, was also at the house, but she was not arrested. The investigation continues. Reporting in Muskogee County, Brandon Richard, 2 News works for you.